So welcome back guys to CGF Vlogs. We have Redmi Note 10 Pro for unboxing, and we got some very special features in this phone. 64 megapixel quad camera and 120 Hz AMOLED display. So let's unbox it. So I have 6 GB and 128 GB variant, and my phone's color is vintage bronze. So let's open it. Okay. So in this we have cover. Cover quality is good, and let's take this item. And this is a phone. Take this here, and we got 33-watt fast charger in this and data cable. Let's take these items here. So let's open the phone. Okay. So this phone is looking nice, and we got stereo speaker, dual stereo speakers, and one headphone jack, and we got IR blaster also, and we have 42 megapixel camera and 255 megapixel camera, and one 10 megapixel camera. So it is very nice. So let's on the phone, and we got physical fingerprint sensor. I like this, and now I'm opening it. So guys, my setup is complete. So we got some pre-installed apps like Amazon, Facebook, Prime Video, LinkedIn, MyCred, Zilly. This is pre-installed app, and Netflix also. And we got 64 megapixel camera and 120 Hz AMOLED display. So I like this phone. So let's okay.